Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making something for the first time. I'll be carving my pineapple bowl and I'll also be making some sweet and sour chicken. So this video should be really interesting. So if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and most importantly, ring that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So this is my pineapple, and look, it has two heads. So this is going to be really easy for me to cut it. See, it's separated already. It's like conjoined. Look at it. I've never seen it before like this. And I have some freshly made pineapple juice. And if you check out my pineapple juice video, you can see how I make my pineapple juice. So these are my ingredients for my sweet and sour chicken. I have my spices, some colored peppers and onion, my chicken, and it's deboned and it's skinless, eggs, flour, sugar, ketchup, vinegar, my crushed garlic and my crushed ginger, and a little lime zest. So when I add my eggs, it won't have this raw eggy taste. And I have my sesame seed all ready to make my garnish. So guys, it's really important that you wash your pineapple thoroughly, because I've already washed my pineapple. And I'm going to slice it down in half. Make sure you're using a sharp knife. Yummy. So I'm going to take this one out the way. So we're going to cut it in all squares. So now I'm going to scoop it out. So there you have it. So now that I'm done, I'll be using my chunks to add to my ingredients for my sweet and sour chicken. So I'm just slicing them a little bit smaller. This pineapple is very, very sweet. It's so sweet. So now I'm ready to start marinating my chicken. I'm gonna add me some black pepper, about half tablespoon. Paprika, about half tablespoon of paprika. You don't want to add too much because I'm going to add some in the flour as well. Some all-purpose seasoning. about a tablespoon. And garlic powder, about a tablespoon. And we don't need to add any salt because these powder seasonings are already salty. I'm gonna add some crushed garlic and ginger. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper as well, just for a little spice. I like spice. Okay, so now I'm adding some seasoning to my flour. So this is for the coating of the chicken. Nah. Gonna mix it so it's evenly distributed. Tastes good. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack my eggs. I'm gonna start whisking it. And again, we don't need to add any seasoning to the eggs because we already put seasoning in the flour. So now I'm ready to start frying. I'm going to put a piece of garlic just to test to see if the oil is ready. So we're dipping in the cornstarch and the flour and the eggs, I mean, not the flour. And the eggs, and I'm taking with my dry hand. So I'm doing a wet hand, dry hand method so it doesn't become clumpy. So now I'm gonna flip them over. Okay, you see how good the color is looking? So now these are all ready. Okay, it's looking really good. Has a nice color. So I'm just putting it on a paper towel just to drain the excess oil off. So I'll see you soon, guys. So now that my chicken is all fried with a really good golden brown color, it's looking amazing, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and start making my sweet and sour sauce for my chicken. So I've preheated my medium frying pan, and I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So just wait a few minutes until your oil started to heat up, and I'm gonna go ahead and add, I'm just gonna test it to see. So it's not quite ready yet. I like to hear when it's sizzling. So look at it, it's looking really good. So we're going to saute this for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add my crushed garlic and my ginger. So I'll be adding my granulated sugar, and this is about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to go ahead and dump my vinegar in. So I'll be adding my ketchup. It's smelling so good. We can add a little bit more because we want it to be thick and tasty. I'm gonna go in now with my pineapple juice. And my pineapple. You want to taste this? It tastes so nice. Spice, Scotch bonnet. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes just to get the gravy to thicken a little bit. And I will see you soon. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. So this is a must try. We're gonna turn it down just a little bit. So my sweet and sour chicken is already done. And now it's time to share. And I'll be sharing it with some white rice. Not gonna work.